Mr. Wang, what are you doing?
I am operating remote cloud monitoring.
What is this function? Can you demonstrate it?
Okay, this is done through a mobile app. Remote control of generator set startup and shut down.
Oh, how to operate it specifically?
Come on, I'll teach you. First, open the interface of the app. Find the current gensets. See the speed and power displayed on this and this online status. Now this gensets is online. We can directly proceed with the operation. The buttons below here. The buttons on this controller are basically the same. Then we can manually switch to manual mode. At this point, the command was successfully sent. The controller is displayed in manual mode. Then let's turn on the computer. At this point, the engine has already started running normally. We can see this speed. Water temperature and oil pressure, including power generation, voltage and frequency.
Mr. Wang, the function you just had was very good. It can achieve remote startup and shutdown. How exactly is this implemented? Is there any good way?
Come on, let me show you. We just need to add such a device. This is our cloud modem.
Oh,
Installation is also relatively simple. There are mainly 4 parts. First of all, this cloud modem. We need to install a data card inside, mobile card for traffic. Next, this is the power cord we provide to cloud modem. This is the 485 communication line between cloud modem and the control module. This is the data and location here. These 2 antennas, mainly these 4 parts.
oh, need to add such equipment.
Right, Mr. Chow, I see you are so interested in cloud modem. Next, let me demonstrate the installation of this cloud modem to you.
Okay,
Firstly, this cloud modem. Our first step is to pry open this cover plate first. This is the location for installing the SIM card inside. First, move this card slot downwards. After the card slot pops out, let's install the SIM card. For SIM cards, this chip needs to be facing downwards. There is a gap here. After installing it like this, push up, locking slot. Cover it with the cover plate. This is the first step. Next, let's connect the power cord of this cloud modem. This place is the power source, DC835V. This is the second step. Next, connect the communication cable. It is recommended to use shielded wires for communication lines. Grounding at one end, the other end is suspended in the air. This 485A is connected to A on top of this 485B to B. Next, let's install this antenna. Blue and purple sockets. Corresponding color installation is sufficient. This way, a cloud modem is connected properly. Next, we can turn on the POW. Check if the status of this cloud modem is normal. Next, we can see that, under normal circumstances, when it was first powered on, this power light is red. After powering on, wait until both the RS485 light and GPRS4G light flash. This signal and this cloud modem communicating with the controller is normal. When this power light turns green, It means that the cloud modem system is now functioning normally. This GPS light is in a constantly on state. It's because the antenna is indoors, so there is currently no signal. Next, we can take a look. Adding on a mobile phone. First, download a SmartGAN Cloud Plus platform app from the mobile app store. This can be searched on both Android and iOS systems. This is the SmartGAN Cloud Plus. Because I have already installed I'll open it directly. Next, we will start adding click on the device interface. Click on the plus sign in the upper right corner. Add gensets. If this cloud modem ID is used, we can directly scan the code to add. It can also be manually entered. Cloud modem model. This cloud modem model is CMM366B-4G. Fill in the genset's name according to your own needs. I will fill out a test here. If the controller brand is SmartGAN. Controller series. Our controller is HGM611ONC. So I chose this HGM6 series. The controller model is HGM611ONC. The communication method needs to be selected as RS485. We communicate through 485 on our end. The module address of this controller module is 1. If on-site modifications have been made, if the address of this module inside the controller, fill in according to the actual situation. Subscription code. If this subscription code is used, it's another user. You can view the data of this gensets through this subscription code. If the control code is used, it means other users. Besides being able to view data, it is also possible to perform on or off operations. Next, let's click on Add Gensets. This gensets has been added successfully. After we complete the registration, we need to turn off the power to both the cloud modem and the controller. After power on again. After the power light turns green. Cloud modem is running normally now. After the cloud modem system is normal. Next, let's take a look at the operation of starting and stopping the machine. First, switch to manual mode while in shutdown mode. Then click on power on. At this point, the gensets begins to operate at high speed. You can see the battery voltage, charger voltage, water temperature and oil pressure, including line voltage, frequency. At this time, the gensets is operating normally. If the machine is shut down, directly click the shutdown button. Mr. Chow, through the installation of cloud modem just now, operations on the SmartGAN Cloud Plus, how do you feel?
Through Mr. Wang's installation of this cloud modem just now, and the operation of this SmartGAN Cloud Plus platform, my own feeling is a strong sense of technology. And then this cloud modem installation is simple, and the operation is relatively fast. SmartGAN Cloud Plus, it is an ideal choice for remote control of generator sets. Thumbs up for technology.